Well, you won't believe it, but I got carried away and I almost finished this without you. And I feel kind of bad because I did all the little flowers. All I have left to do are a few dignified dots, and I will do that with you. This is school bus yellow, and I use a pencil eraser when I want the bigger ones, the kind of bigger ones. I just dip it in the paint and I go boop, just like that, and just put them. This kind of, I don't want two big ones there. And I just keep going around, just here and there, where I feel like it. Up there, and there. And then I'm going to show you, I kind of figured out how to do some cute flowers. And I've already done them on my hurricane, but I can show you one on my notepad, how I did it. I really need to, I guess I could YouTube an art class, how to do flowers. Let's see. Okay, I think that's it. In the water. But now I have two hurricanes. Can you see how pretty they are? And I'm gonna, when this dries good, I'm gonna take them upstairs, put them on my dining room table, and show you how it's gonna look. Okay, I'm gonna take off these gloves. They're hot. All right. Okay. How I do my flowers. I can touch the top of that now. That over a little bit. I get, which brush? Get this brush, and I have the colors that I wanted to go on my flowers. I've got this burgundy and kind of a coral and a little purple and some gold, and I just dip it in the paint, and the paint's starting to dry, so I don't know if it's going to show up well or not. And then maybe a little bit of there and a little bit of there. And I take it and I just kind of do a little circle. That's mostly pink, so let's do some red. And then I would do another one. Just kind of swirl my brush. Well, they did better on the on the glass. And I did a third one. And I wanted a little bit of purple. We'll put that in the pink. Swirl that in. That didn't come out too good. So now I've kind of got three little things. And then I want a center sort of this yellow. So I dipped it in the yellow and kind of off center I did a little swirl with the yellow. I'm so glad they did better on the glass, but it did work and they look really cute. So there is a little flower. Don't know what kind it is, but then I had to have some little leaves. So I got this little pointy brush, dipped it in the green and a tiny bit of yellow, and then I just put it there and kind of pushed it out and made a little leaf. And I did that all the way around. Little flowers. A little leaf, a little bit of green, a little bit of yellow. So, there's my flower. It looks better on here than it does on here, but that's how I did it. And I'm gonna have to give myself a lesson from YouTube or something how to do it better. But you know, I like it, and I think I'm gonna go do some little more, an extra coat of the gold at the top and around the middle, and then I'll be finished, and then I will go take a picture. But it's been great, and these are going to be very cute on my table. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kayren Spain Design. Now I have another channel that's been on there for 5 years, 6 years, when I was 70 and jumped out of an airplane. I need to take that off because it's still on there. It got 100 and something views 5 years ago and none since. So I think I'll take it off. But if you go to it shows you be skydiving, then that's not the right one. You need to go to Kayren Spain Design. So subscribe, and we'll see you on the next project. Bye-bye.
Life is getting sweeter.